Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Today is our last day here in the resort. We woke up, dapat kagabi mag-dinner pa kami sa...
Dito, Golden Elephant.
Pero we didn't wake up. So, dire-diretso yung tulog namin. Ano oras na yung tulog? Mga 8. And nagising kami ng mga 6, 7. Nagpaaraw ako sa labas. And then right now, it's already mga... almost 8 a.m. We're gonna have breakfast. No makeup muna. We broke out. Colors.
Ako, itim sobra.
Ako nagtan. I love it. I haven't backed up my phone in 100 weeks. So, it's gonna take 12 hours. Ha! Bumili pa ako ng extra storage, Colors. Another peaceful morning.
Yan, laki ng fish.
Oh, I love it. Saan?
Ayun.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Ang dami. Mataas ulit yung water.
Morning.
Love it. Got the fish, guys. Finally finished editing the first vlog, guys. Sobrang haba. So, for an hour and 40 plus minutes of clip, I had to cut it down to 17 minutes. And this will be up tonight. Yay! So, today is our last day here in the resort. And it's basically our rest day. But tonight, we're gonna have a firefly watching trip. So, it's going to be at 6 to 8 p.m. and we're going to have dinner at the Golden Elephant. Sana umabot kami since 6 to 10 yung Golden Elephant. Now, I have to do my makeup real quick. I was supposed to film a makeup tutorial but I don't think I have the time. So, mag-film na lang ako sa bahay since sayang yung mag-beach pa kami ni Mark after this. And pupunta kami outside the resort since we haven't been outside by ourselves. So, we're gonna ask. Kasi sabi ni Adzi may famous daw na mamihan sa Palawan, and one of our friends, Chowlong, and one of our friends, Zach, he recommended Bajau Inn.
Seafood front?
Bajau Inn, ayan. Oh, I broke out.
Check natin, guys, yung sa labas. Yeah! Ayan o, sobrang tumaas na yung water. Kanina hindi siya ganyang kataas eh. So, plan namin mag-kayak later kung aabot. Pero sana umabot. Pero medyo nakakakaba. Taas ng tubig. Mas malakas yung alon. Ayun. Pero mamaya punta kami sandbar. Yan. Para mag-swim. Hindi pa namin siya na-enjoy eh. Yeah. Hindi nakita yung mga fish kasi tumaas na talaga. Kanina kita pa eh.
Our water villa comes with this bed na pwede ka mag-tanning tunas, and a hammock. Pwede ka dito. Nag-relax ako din dito, di ba? Nagising siya, kala niyang wala ako. Nalalabas ako, sabi ko, hi. It's so relaxing. It's a 2-person hammock. Kaya kami na to, no? Of course. Oh, diba? Wee! Da-da-dan! Da-dan-dan-dan-dan! It's so quiet. We're going to have lunch here at Rice. It's the same place. Kumain kami sa breakfast namin. Thank you! Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. That was a really good lunch. I enjoyed the chicken and pork adobo. Ang sarap. As in, Pinoy na Pinoy yung luto nila. Tapos yung lechon kawali, sobrang crisp. I love it. Masarap. And yung water nila dito, medyo iba lang yung lasa ng konti. Pero it's filtered water, but I guess it's different from Manila. Parang smooth yung pag ano. Okay lang naman. Ikaw, B, anong thoughts mo?
Nasanay lang siguro tayo.
No, I mean sa food.
Masarap. Masarap.
Ano favorite mo?
May chocolate.
Sayang lang yung crispy para nila hindi available, pero super sarap. Right outside our villa, meron kaming sampaguita na plant. Sobrang bango, kaya pala every time we pass by dito, ang bango. We also have an umbrella. Pwede mo siyang makuha anywhere. Tapos iiwan mo lang sa labas ng mga nakashoot dito. We're gonna go kayaking. Dito lang sa may villa namin. Saktong time, medyo ulam siya ng araw and the water is about to go down. Mag-low tide na. So after kayaking, we're gonna head straight to the sandbar. Last beach day. Uwi na kami bukas. And we're so sad because on Mondays pala Golden Elephant is closed. So mali yung ginawa namin. Dapat pala kahapon kami nag Golden Elephant. And then ngayon si Sala. Ay no, sayang. This is Golden Elephant.
And also, kahapon, ano oras tayo lumabas? Sige, sure. Pero bukas.
Ayan, kayaking. Starting! Woohoo! Go na me. Far na guys, look at that. Hi B. Masaya. Hindi ako takot kasi hindi naman nun. Mababaw lang. We're heading to the sandbar. French family. They borrowed the camera, so we have to get their email address. And since we don't have our phones, we're just gonna ask her to write her email. Saan? Para picture na lang. Go. One more game, one more game. one more. Yung ganun, yung ikot talaga.
Yahoo.fr.
For the last part of our stay, we're going to firefly watching. Last day na, last night na here. Yan, ang saya kanina sa sandbar. I love it. Although we weren't able to vlog as much.
Nila ko na yun.
Pero yan, ang ganda. Oh, nice view. Oh.
May mga tao pa. Ay, nandun pa yung parang mag-asawa. Kermit crab.
Kermit crab.
The frog. Kermit the frog pala yun.
Close na you know. What do you see in the fire? You see that?
The Lord of Light.
We are here at Kainato, so we're gonna have dinner first. Yan, Kainato. Here. We're now here at the Iwahig. Yung firefly watching.
Iwahig
place.
firefly watching.
Ayun, Iwahig firefly watching. Cool.
Ecotourism in Wahadla.
Going to ride a paddle boat. Tapos yun, sana hindi kami managlag. Pero may life vest naman and all. They even have a souvenir shop dito. Jenny's Souvenir Shop. Yay! Kuha tayo ng life vest. Gusto ko yung malaki, maliit to. Pero ito.
Ito maganda life eh.
Hello po.
Hi! Hi!
Sige ma.
Wait. Saan ako? Dito?
Opo, ma'am, dyan lang.
Saan ako harap?
Doon po, ma'am.
Okay. Cool!
Dito sa harap.
A small boat. Yay! So cute.
It's okay. Have fun in the dark.
Thank you. Wow.
Ito, pulp species ng mangrove sa Saornipa. Ito, Tricia. Ito pong sa Saornipa, yan yung roofing ng ating Nipa hut.
Watching is over. We're back in the hotel. We're actually gonna pack na, and then tomorrow kasi we have 12:50 flight. Yeah, try ko mag-edit ng vlogs para ma-upload ko lahat. Ang bilis kasi ng internet dito. Anyway, firefly watching, ang ganda-ganda. Although I wasn't able to take pictures kasi sobrang dilim. Pero ang cute nung river na may luminescent phytoplankton, something chuba. Ganda. Anyway, that's it. That's it for today's vlog. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.
Bawin.